In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a rectangle in Inkscape. Let's start by getting Inkscape up and running on your desktop. Once the app launches, give it a moment to load the interface. If this is your first time, don't worry. The layout is friendly and consistent, with tools on the left, options up top, and your canvas in the center. Next, decide where you want to work. You can open an existing document if you're adding a shape to a current project, or create a brand new file if you're starting fresh. Opening an existing file is great for annotating diagrams, making callouts, or framing images. Starting a new document lets you experiment without clutter. Either way, you'll be landed on a blank or existing canvas ready for drawing. Now, look to the left-hand toolbar and find the Rectangle tool. It looks like a small square or rectangle icon. Click it once to activate it. You'll know it's active when your cursor changes and the tool options for rectangles appear along the top. If you ever switch tools by mistake, just click the rectangle icon again to return. With the tool selected, move your cursor to the canvas. Click and drag to draw your shape. As you drag, you'll see a live preview of the rectangle's size. Release the mouse when it looks about right. If it's not perfect on the first try, that's completely fine. You can always adjust later by selecting the shape and dragging its edges or corners. If you want a perfect square, hold the Control key while you drag. Keeping Control pressed constrains the proportions so the width and height match exactly. A small tip here. Hold Control before or during the drag, and when you're done, release the mouse first, then the key. That order helps keep the constraint in place as you finish the shape. If you'd like the rectangle to grow outward from your starting point, hold Shift as you drag. This is especially handy when you want a shape to expand evenly from a center mark or a precise spot on your design. Just like before, release the mouse first, then the key for the cleanest result. After you've placed your rectangle or square, you can move it by clicking and dragging, and you can refine its size by pulling on the handles. If you're planning to stack multiple shapes, try drawing one, duplicating it, and aligning copies for consistent spacing. That's it. You've launched Inkscape, opened or created a document, selected the Rectangle tool, drawn your shape, and used Control for perfect squares and Shift to grow from the center. Practice these quick gestures, and rectangles will become one of your fastest, cleanest building blocks in Inkscape.